I'm Winnie Moranville, and this is how to make blueberry cheese crepes. Blueberries are sweet and tangy and packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, and this is a great way to bring them to your table. First, get your blueberry sauce going. In a medium saucepan, combine 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, a dash of salt, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Mix this together. Now add 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries. Cook while stirring until the mixture gets thickened and bubbly. Then cook and stir for 2 minutes more. Set this aside to cool. You can also refrigerate it for a couple of days, but warm it up a little bit before serving. You don't want this mixture hot, but you don't want it refrigerator cold either. Now, with an electric mixer, beat 1/2 cup of mascarpone cheese with 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream until soft peaks form. You'll need 4 crepes. Now, fold the crepe in half, then half again to make a wedge-shaped piece. Then add a scoop of your mascarpone mixture on top. Spoon some of your sauce over the crepe. If you like, you can garnish this with freshly grated lemon peel.